On your feet. We're Oscar Mike.
Roger, 2-1 actual out. Listen up. This evac man's getting hit hard. And we need to buy him some time. Hooah?
Hooah!
All call signs. The LZ is under heavy fire. Uncover enemy positions and engage potential targets.
They got optics on us. Snipers, RPG teams, and heavy arms fire. All floors, 12 o'clock due west of our position.
Overlord, this is Hunter 2-1 actual. Request an airstrike. Over.
Negative 2-1 actual. All available air units are currently tasked with multiple Casevacs along the Potomac. Proceed west to the target building and provide support. Out.
Incoming! Everyone, move up! Get out of the kill zone! We gotta buy some time for those Casevac birds. Overlord, 2-1 actual. We're screening west with no adjacent support. And friendly victims from VCT-1 are hauling ass past us. Over.
Roger. Brigade Combat Team 1 has already peeled off an LAV to provide suppression. Over. Hunter 2-1, this is Overlord. SEAL teams are maneuvering into position on the northwest corner of the target building. Link up with them on the top floor and eliminate enemy fire teams. Over.
All right. VCT-1's LAV has been suppressed. Get ready to move on my mark. Ready! Go! 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 Move up! Move up! Ramirez! Move up and stay on that LAV's line of fire! Move! Move! Move up! Go! Go! Use your grenade launcher! Move in! Push forward! Move! Overlord, this is 2-1 actual. Be advised, we're inside and proceeding to the upper floors.
Roger. Overlord copies all.
Contact at 2 o'clock! Easy! Got a foot mobile! He's Oscar Mike! Take back!
I'm moving! I'm touching it! Grenade! Casey! Contact at 12 o'clock! Fire team has been suppressed in Section 1 Alpha.
Solid copy, 2-1.
Overlord, this is Hunter 2-1 actual. Proceeding to the mezzanine. Tell the LAV from VCT-1 to hold their fire. Over.
Copy that, 2-1. Good hunting.
Holy! I see movement! Вижу противника слева! Contact at 12 o'clock!
Hostile suppressed in Section 2 Echo.
Roger that, 2-1.
This is Delta 4-1 at the Lincoln Memorial! We are taking heavy fire! Request already an airstrike on our position! Send whatever you got! Broken arrow! Broken arrow!
Hunter 2-1, be advised, hostiles on the southwest corner of the 5th floor are hammering the evac site. Over.
Solid copy, Overlord. We are Oscar Mike to the 5th floor. Out. Stand by to engage. Overlord, we're on the 5th floor, proceeding to the southwest corner.
Copy that, 2-1.
I got movement.
Watch your sectors. Check those corners. All Hunter units, I have a visual on the enemy's crow's nest at the southwest corner. Move forward and clear it out.
Mystic 2-1! CENTCOM just gave the order to abandon all evac sites to the east of the Potomac! Get your ass out of there!
This is Hunter 2-1 actual. We have secured the enemy crow's nest on the southwest corner.
Overlord copies all. The evac site at the Washington Monument reports several transports away, but they are still vulnerable. Can you provide support from your position? Over.
Roger that. We're sitting on a stockpile of enemy munitions. We'll dig in and burn through their ammo. Out. Ramirez, get on that sniper rifle. Just to the south of the Washington Monument.
All call signs on this net. This is the Washington Monument evac site. We're holding our own but have glassed enemies to the west and are taking fire from that direction.
Hunter 2-1, be advised you have enemy foot mobiles converging on your position. Stay frosty. 2-1, recommend you clear out of there. I see a mass of foot mobiles converging on your position.
Negative. I have eyes on enemy armor and helicopters advancing on the evac site from the south and southwest. Revealers, use some of this order to take out the enemy vehicles. Move!
Site, valuable time. Well done. Now get your ass to the roof ASAP. You're in danger of being overrun.
Roger that. We're heading to the rooftop. Everyone, move out!
Atlas 2-6 is now away. All remaining evacuation units execute level 3 evacuation protocols. Urgent surgicals only.
We just lost Atlas 2-3 to AAA from the Capitol building! Get those civvies back in their seats! I've got a major hydraulic leak! We're barely gonna make it over the MSR! We gotta touch down! We gotta
Hunter, this is Dagger 2-1. We are in position at the LZ on the rooftop. What's your status?
Overlord! We've linked up with the SEALs on the rooftop and are heading up. Interrogator. At the Washington Monument site been evacuated. Over.
Negative 2-1. They're still pinned down by infantry and light armor from the World War II memorial. Doesn't look good from here. Over.
Copy, Overlord. We'll do what we can from the air. Out.
First wave of civilian transports is away. Reaver 2, proceed with second stage evacuation. Litter urgent personnel only. Dagger 2, Sandlocks, break left, break left.
Overlord! Dagger 2-2 is hit and going down.
RPG teams at the World War II memorial. Pull that trigger till they don't get up. Atlas 2-3, 2-4, and 2-5 are all away. Ground units in LZ-4, fall back now. Enemy gunship lifting off 12 o'clock. War memorial.
This is Atlas 2-5 at LZ-1. Engines are 30%. I can't carry any more people. We're gonna have to leave some of them behind. Dagger 2, the Washington Monument is taking fire from the main road.
Overlord to all units. Evacuation order April. I repeat, evacuation order April. Everyone get the hell out of there.
Get your man on that transport now. We are leaving. This is Atlas 1-1, civilian transport going down 2 clicks west of DuPont Circle. Incoming, incoming!
Overlord! We're hit but still in the air. We've got a massive sound battery at the Department of Justice. We're going in.
We're losing attitude control.
Take us up. If we're going down, we're taking those SAM sites with us.
Samlog, hang on. We're hit. Mayday, Mayday. This is Dagger 2-1. We are going down at Grid Square. Papa Bravo 2. Dagger 2-1, this is Overlord. Do you copy? Over. Dagger 2-1, this is Overlord. How copy? Over.
Corporal, hang on! Defend this position!